All right, we're gonna check out a turnover, which is rare. Actually, I've never even seen this house. It was before the YouTube days where I used to buy them sight unseen, rent them, and I've never actually seen it. I've been renting this house 5 years, right? And they said, hey, we're gonna leave it clean, and they just left. So judging by all this trash, I'm a little bit worried. So we're gonna see. My guess, how much money is it gonna take to turn it over and make money again? But hey, a little trash is not going to scare us. Sometimes in real estate, this happens. When your tenants, they were good for a long period of time and then they weren't. So, no big deal. A little bit of trash. But look at this house next to us. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful house. The street is nice. We bought it. Our basis is so low from 5 years ago. So, you really can't lose. Now, this is going to be painful. I can just tell by the trash. Look at this. It's got a nice pavers. You could put a lot of cars, no HOA. It's got a little covered situation. So you can literally put in 6 cars in here. It's amazing. The yard, it is what it is. Palm tree, that's no big deal. I can already tell the outside, you have stucco repairs. You're going to have paint on the exterior. You have some drywall repairs over there. So that's going to be some money. Got tile situation here. Who cares? More junk right here. Okay. But not bad. You got it all of this here. This house is huge. I think it's 5, maybe 6 bedrooms. So I'm not worried. It's going to rent fast again. We just got to deal with this and spend some money. So yes, on occasion, turnovers is going to cost you money. So don't think you're just going to be collecting that cash flow per house. So the bigger your portfolio, the better off you are, because the performing ones will hedge against things like this. Because honestly, I haven't seen the inside. We're going to see the inside. This will get rid of cash flow for 1, maybe 2 years, right? And it happens. It doesn't matter. Again, our basis is low. We'll deal with it. But look at the nice covered patio. Very unique house. So let's take a look on the inside and see how they left it. Take a look at this mess. Look at this. And believe it or not, these were people that we were great for 5 years. We rented this in 21. It's now 26. So it's amazing for that many years. And look at them now. Just disgusting. You got their receipt. I mean, let's see. Look at this receipt. Look at this. Look at that receipt. What they spend money on. Let's see. Powerade, $6. Large lemonade, $6. And a blue coconut medium, whatever drink, 2 of them for $10. You can't pay your rent when you spend $20 on sugary drinks. I mean, priorities, people. It doesn't matter. You're not going to hurt me. And look at, out of all this mess, we've had it for 5 years, and I've said it a million times, look at the tile. All the haters, you need to change tile. Look at this in the kitchen. I have different tiles in the kitchen. Look at this. You can't destruct it. It's indestructible. It is amazing. It appraised amazing. It's going to rent fine. And out of all the things you can hurt, the tile's not one of them. So amazing. You don't have to change it. Let's take a look at the kitchen. Smells. Usual smell. I mean, all this crap's going to have to get redone. I don't know if we can even save it. Oh, buddy, look at this crap. Look at this. Just disgusting. So, see how they left the microwave? As expected, gross. I mean, people are just, it's actually not bad. I wonder why the dishwasher is so So clean, probably because they didn't use it a lot, judging by this mess. But it is what it is. Take a look on this side. I mean, we got 3 rooms on this side. Like I said, the house is huge. All the flooring, that was back in the day. I wasn't putting the vinyl waterproof planks. So we're gonna rip out the floor. We're gonna paint it. Nice little room in here. Look at the size. Clearly they painted it pink. Didn't ask me. That's all right. Who cares? Nice views. Holes in the wall. That is definitely somebody punched it in. Emotions. I mean, I don't mind it. Doesn't scare me. That is okay. So you have the boys' room blue. They painted again without approval. Broken window. I'm gonna change this. They took the light, the bulbs out. Why would you take them? I don't know. So flooring, paint. The house is amazing. And you have to look at my basis from 5 years ago. It's literally nothing out of pocket. So you're not losing. We're gonna improve it again. And you have to remember, on a long enough timeline, every single item in a house has to be replaced. Your AC units. It's Arizona. It is hot. I had maybe 10 AC repairs last week. I've had instances I've had to replace 5 units at a time. It just happens and you have to be ready for it. So don't think it is passive for the most part, but maintenance you gotta handle, and it can get very expensive if you're not ready for it. Shower's nice before, at least that's in good shape. Toilets, all that crap's gonna have to go. As you can see in the backyard, look at all this mess. Look at this. Pure. But it doesn't surprise me. It was fine. Actually, I was nice enough and I didn't file the eviction. They kind of moved. It is what it is. They were good for 5 years. They steal pencil from me. And we'll be just fine. Look at this big closet. Kind of took the door off. Oh, here's more. Punching. Somebody punched this. Not strong enough though, because you couldn't get through. If you're gonna punch it, I mean, I have to replace the door. At least do it right. Let's take a look on this side again. My lights are broken. Hallway's not too bad. You got a room in here, no lights, closet. Smells. Sort of drugs. Probably weed. I don't know. That's what it smells like. Tiles are different, but look at it. The flooring I put in, destroyed. The tiles are standing. Look at this beautiful tub. This is nice. Another bathroom. This is probably broken. This is broken. But how's that? That's gonna cost me $300. It's $100. I mean, it's not just a pain in the ass. But again, can't handle this. Real estate is not for you, right? It's part of the fun. Just had a kid in here. They left all this. The mirror. Don't show the pictures there. They left some pictures we're not going to show. How does this happen? Look at this. Look at this. I mean, how do you break one of the blades of the fan? That takes talent, or you're just doing it on purpose. Flooring is disgusting. It is destroyed. People. And of course, they stole my washer and dryer. Does it happen? Clearly it happens. Every house we have washers and dryers. Now we don't have washers and dryers. They take them. I've seen it where sometimes they'll put my appliances that we provide on offer up and they just sell for whatever they can. It is what it is. It's not the end of the world. Nice size laundry. Look at this size. This is amazing. Another bathroom here. Thing is huge. Another broken window. Great location for the water heater. It's away, so if something goes wrong, it's not going to flood the whole house, which happens, especially in Arizona. Yeah, let's take a look at the yard. Oh, The tree is going to be a situation to get rid of. But no one said anything, so we'll see. Like the yard, alley access, so you can put even more cars. Block on this side. Got a little shed situation. Ooh, that smells. Whew. Don Julio 42, come on. You can't pay your rent, but you can drink Don Julio 42. Make that up. Can't. And you can spend $20 on sugary drinks from Sonic, but you can't pay your rent. It happens. Priorities. All this trash. Tires. This is really nice. Because I can pop it out, can make it into a studio. But right now, it's not going to pencil. There's no point. But overall, I love the house. It's one of my bigger houses. It's like 6 bedrooms, 3 or 4 bathrooms. It's going to rent. This is going to take me about a week. So how much is it going to cost? My guess, based on everything off the cuff, $20,000. Yes, it's painful. It's going to take a week. Hey, look at this house. Look at this one. Another new one. Again, so much money is pouring in this area. So on a long enough timeline, you will never lose, as long, of course, as you buy right. Oh, here's my washer and dryer. I believe that's it. Unless, look at this. I think they broke it on purpose. Why you would do that, I don't know. But the mystery is solved. They're right there. Now we're just gonna have to get rid of it. And yes, even though I have to spend $20,000, it's still an asset. Where else can you find this amazing house? The dirt, it's big. For the 20 in, you'll get it back in the end. It doesn't matter. It's still way better than saving money because the inflation is going to eat it up. The inflation is protecting it, the real estate. And that's why I say residential real estate is the #1 hedge against inflation. The more houses you have, the better off you'll be.